YouTube, it's Michael here today, and I am really pumped up and excited because I have come up with a $1 million idea. Okay, I've been researching and trying to figure things out for the last few months, trying to figure out what the hell I can do to make a buttload of money. Like, I'm talking real ways, not bullshit scam ways. So I think that I've come across a way, and I've put a lot of things together that I've learned, and I've put it all together and I figured it out. I'm going to share it with you guys. This could seriously, potentially, I am 100% positive. Okay, I have 100% confidence that this could and will, if you apply yourself, change your life. Okay, Google AdSense. Google AdSense. You ever go to websites and you see the little ads on the side and on the top, or you ever watch YouTube videos like the one you're watching now, and you know, like the preview video before the video starts, you can skip it after 5 seconds, or the little text banner ads on the videos. Okay, those are ads that Google AdSense puts on videos related to the topic of the video or the website. Okay, and basically, whenever you click on the ad, the owner of that content earns a commission. They earn a commission because they provide the content. They sent that advertiser a potential customer. Okay, so I believe that YouTube or Google gets 50 or 45% of it. Anyway, you get basically half of that. Half of what that is, okay? So, you get that, ads. You get paid for the ads on your content, on your websites or your YouTube videos. So, figure out a niche, something you're passionate about or something that you know a lot about, that is a fairly narrow topic. Like, I have one in mind. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is because I haven't done this yet, but I'm going to take it, I'm going to run with it, and I'm telling you guys, this is going to blow up. I just feel it. I just know it is because it just all makes sense. Let's take electronic cigarettes. We'll pretend that this is going to be our topic, okay? And you build a website based off of electronic cigarettes, okay? It could be something very specific like the atomizer or whatever, or whatever the hell these are called, the Arctic. This is called the tank or whatever. Electronic cigarette tanks. This could be your target niche, your topic. So you build a website about electronic cigarette tanks, e-cig tanks. You talk about all the different tanks, and you talk about, like, you make a website and you put in different categories, all the different tanks, and you go into detail, all the information there is to know about them, why one's better than the other, which one puts out the most clouds, which one tastes the best, which one is the best bang for your buck, whatever, all kind of information, anything you can take, what's compatible with what and what's not, what's rebuildable, how to rebuild them, and whatever, you get it, you go into detail about this, okay? And you put Google AdSense on your website, right? You put ads on your website, okay? Now, how are you going to get traffic to your website? Well, you have to pick something that's a targeted niche, something that a lot of people are searching for, but not a lot of information is out there about that. Now, I don't know whether the hell there's a ton of information about that or not, but even if there is, check this out. Google search is not the only way to drive traffic to your website. Oh, no. No. Let me show you my Instagram account, for example. 17,500 followers is what I have on Instagram. I have 5 Instagram accounts, 5 Twitter accounts, a Facebook account with 5,000 friends. But check this out. I'm going to let's go into Facebook first. Okay? You start a Facebook group that is related to electronic cigarette tanks. You start a Facebook group. Invite all of your friends that know a lot, or invite all your friends to the group, and go out and find more people to join your group, okay? Make a Twitter account. Make an Instagram account. Make a YouTube channel, all based on electronic cigarette tanks. Tie it all in together, okay? Tie it all in together, and Make YouTube videos about e-cig tanks. Everything you need to know, everything you put on your website, make YouTube videos about it. Start a YouTube channel, make videos about it, and put the link to your website on your YouTube channel, all your YouTube videos. Put all the YouTube videos on your website. Intertwine them together. Put your YouTube videos and your website on your Twitter, on your Facebook group, on your Instagram. Okay? You see you're sitting traffic all over the place, and all these people are looking at your shit, and it's making you money because they're going to be clicking the ads because they're going to be relevant. Not everyone, but a large percentage, large enough to make you some bang for your buck, to make you some money, are going to be clicking on that shit. Okay? Here's another one. You already have all this information. Make a series of ebooks about this topic and put them on Amazon Kindle. Selling for $2.99 a piece, who gives a shit? It's extra money. You have all this information already tied into a website, into YouTube videos. You already know all this information. Turn it into an ebook. Sell it on Amazon Kindle. Now you have 3 outlets of revenue. YouTube income for Google AdSense. Your website is going to be generating you income from Google AdSense. And number 3, now you got an ebook. Boom! I just set you up 3 streams of income, one topic. Okay? All it takes is the time to do it. Any idiot can do this. Any freaking idiot can go to Google and type in free website builder. They make freaking templates. Any idiot can go learn information about another topic by going to Google and typing it in. And don't copy paste it, but read all the shit and put it into your own words. That's not copyright. That's completely legal. Any idiot can do that. And check this out. Once you do this and you set it up, and you set up these 3 streams of income, do it again with another topic. And 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 you just keep duplicating this process over and over and over until you are making a huge amount of passive income. Bam! This video better go viral because I just gave you guys some solid ass information that could change your freaking life. And I'm excited because I'm getting ready to make it happen for myself. So, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody that you know because you could help change their lives too. And there's plenty of freaking money to go around using these ways for everyone in the world, okay? There's plenty of money. We're not going to be stepping on each other's toes because we all are going to go into different niches. Leave me some comments, guys. If you can't tell, I'm freaking pumped because I've been looking for something like this for a long, long time and I'm getting ready to blow it up. Later, guys.